Oh, sorry. Oh, I thought I hurt you. Why the bee is doing that? They're hungry. Yeah, they wanna eat your blood. Hello, Maricar. Maricar, say hello, anak. Maricar is on the line, anak. Say hello, Maricar. Yeah. Oh my word. Is this good now? I got so much. Is this good or more? Hi, Sora. Hi, Maricar. Oh no, it's okay, anak. You can just we do laundry on that one. Let me see. Harap ka sa akin, ah. Have a nice Friday. Oh, wow. Ano bang pinagsasabi ng best friend mo, Maricar? Anong pinagsasabi ng best friend mo, Maricar? Best friend ni Maricar si ano, si Sora. Jowa. Ano yun? Jowawers? Diyan na yung mga mumu ni ano ah. Good morning ni Nandiyan na naman yung mga mumu mo, Aisa. Oh, wow. Don't cry. No crying. I know. You found it? Oo. Oo, tama, tama. Correct. Oo, dagdag views din natin yan. Oh, be careful. You okay? You okay? Where you going? Is that your pancake? It's a flat pancake. Oo nga, nakapapa na siya. You can sit, anak. It's okay. You'll just take a shower. Paapa na siya. Andun si Jade. Busy sa four-wheeler. Yeah. Get ready for what? Ano ba yung best friend ni Maricar? Get ready saan? Julene! Can you get the bag daw, panak? Ikaw daw, kayo daw po uwi daw ng Pilipinas. Can you run?